How to fix your iPhone battery drain after iOS 18.5 update. Let's get started. First things first, open your settings app. Now scroll down and tap on battery. At the top, you will see the low power mode option. Turn it on. This simple toggle cuts down on background tasks and helps save that battery. Next, go to charging and make sure the optimized battery charging is switched on. This helps preserve battery health over time by learning your charging routine and reducing unnecessary charging when your phone is plugged in for long periods. Now let's save some power on that display. Open settings again and scroll down to accessibility. Click on display and text size. Now scroll down, head over to the option auto brightness. Turn on this option. This will prevent your screen from running at full brightness when you don't need it. Next, let's reduce those flashy animations. For that, head back. Now navigate to the option motion. Now enable for the option reduce motion. This will make your phone smoother and more energy efficient by cutting down on those system animations. Now head back to the main page of settings and head over to the option sound and haptics. Scroll down and look for keyboard feedback. Turn off haptics. Then go back to the previous page and toggle off system haptics too. Disabling haptic feedback will reduce battery drain from unnecessary vibrations. Now head back to the main page of settings, navigate to the option privacy and security. Then tap on tracking. Turn off all the app-specific toggles there. Then go back to the previous page and scroll down to analytics and improvements. Turn off the toggles there as well to prevent background data tracking. And here's one for you always on display users. Open settings, tap on display and brightness. Scroll to the bottom to find always on display, tap on it and under customize, turn off show wallpaper. This will ensure that your wallpaper does not drain your battery when the screen is locked. Just like that, your iPhone battery should last longer. Which of these tips helped you the most? So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.